Hey guys, so the wait is finally over. You had been requesting me from a very long time to post a pizza recipe, and believe me, this is going to be the best pizza recipe on the internet today. So, this recipe is without yeast. Yes, you heard it right, it is without yeast. So, let's have a look how to make it. Here I have 6 onions chopped, finely chopped. Here I have 6 to 7 tomatoes finely chopped, and here I have 8 to 10 garlic cloves chopped. So the first thing that we need to do is heat a tablespoon of butter. We are making a pizza sauce here. Once your butter is heated, add in the garlic and saute it. If you don't eat garlic, you can skip this, but it gives a lovely flavor. And then we are going to add in the chopped onions. It needs to be very finely chopped. So we are going to cook these onions till they are soft. Now you can also puree your tomatoes, but I have finely chopped them. You can use a puree also, that is also absolutely fine. So with this pizza sauce, I'm going to make about 5 to 6 pizzas. So yeah, so I've added the tomatoes. You can see how finely I have chopped it. So just let the tomatoes get so soft and tender. It shouldn't be raw at all. Guys, believe me, you'll stop having pizza from Domino's after you try my recipe, and you'll thank me for it. You will really thank me for it. Okay, so here I have 6 to 8 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is plain mayonnaise. Add a tablespoon of chili flakes, 2 cloves of garlic, and just blend it. So here you have tomato sauce that you need to add in, about a tablespoon. Just blend everything, and here your mayonnaise is ready to top it. Okay, so our tomatoes are soft. Now we'll add in the other ingredients. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, adding some salt. These are some mixed herbs, or you can use oregano. Then a teaspoon of red chili powder. All the ingredients in detail are mentioned in the description box below. For all my recipes, you will always find it in the description box. So it becomes easier to, just take out things quickly whenever you want to make it. So let's cook this for about 5 minutes, and then it will be done. So just mix everything once, and you can see that is absolutely done, and it has such a lovely aroma. Okay, so here I have all the mixed vegetables that I could get. I was so lucky to find everything that I wanted to top my pizza with. I have corn and paneer. Those who like to have chicken, you can add chicken to this. Okay, here I have taken 150 grams of maida. We are going to make pizza dough without baking it. Here I have added a teaspoon of sugar, some salt, this is 4 tablespoons curd that I'm adding, and we are going to add baking powder. Sorry, this is baking soda, not baking powder. So like I told you, we are going to make the pizza dough without yeast. So instead of yeast, we are using baking soda or khane ka soda, which is easily available in any shops. And to this we only have to add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can add olive oil or regular cooking oil. Just see to it has no flavor in it. So just mix everything together. I'm going to show you how you can directly bake your pizza with the pizza dough. You don't need to make the pizza bread separately for this. So add in little by little water and keep mixing it to make a nice dough. I have not mentioned the quantity of water because it may differ from person to person. Your flour, the quality of it depending on that, you need to add water. So now my dough is ready. So now I'm just going to roll it out. You can see how soft it is even without using the yeast. It's going to give beautiful results. So just cut the dough into half. And now I'm going to make a square shaped pizza, something really different, you know. You can make the regular round base pizzas. So all you need to do is roll it out. With this dough you can make about 5 to 6 pizzas of it. You can roll it out at 8 inches or something. So here I'm making a square shaped one. I have lined this, I'm placing it in a tray, but you can also just roll it out like we roll a chapati. But this is something different I wanted to show you. So someday you can try out like this also, and just prick it with a fork. When you're doing it in a tin, make sure you have pricked it on the sides as well. And here I'm just going to apply the pizza sauce that we have prepared. Now guys, if you're doing this in the regular circle shaped pizza base, then you just need to roll it out like about 1/4 inch thickness and just prick it with a fork and place it into your baking tray. Just top it with all the vegetables you have. So I luckily found all the types of bell peppers. I like to add carrots, it gives a nice crunch to the pizza. And then you can even add olives, mushrooms, whatever you like. And I'm going to add these corns. Look how colorful it is looking, so bright and beautiful. Okay, so those who are new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications. We keep uploading delicious recipes, so you can quickly hit the subscribe button. Okay, so here I have just sprinkled some oregano and chili flakes. And here I'm going to grate some cheese. Unfortunately, I couldn't find mozzarella cheese, so I'm using the regular processed cheese. But you can add mozzarella cheese. And this is the mayonnaise that we have prepared, which I'm just drizzling it. And we are going to top a second layer of vegetables. So this is going to be very filling. Just try this recipe once. You'll be crazy. You'll just forget eating your pizzas from Domino's or Pizza Hut or whatever. Try it at home, and it needs nothing, it needs no yeast, just normal cooking soda. So let's bake it. You need to preheat your oven at 220 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, and then you can bake your pizza for 15 to 18 minutes. So you can see that I have made one round shape pizza. You can bake this in the convection mode also. So here my delicious pizza is ready, as you can see. Isn't it looking fab? It's gonna taste amazing. Believe me guys, just try out this recipe and let me know if you too liked it. So until then, bye bye. See you next time with a new recipe. Take care.